In this video, I'll show you how to link your bank account to your Binance account so you can deposit and withdraw money easily. First, open the Binance app or website and log in. Make sure your identity verification (KYC) is completed, because in most regions you can't add a bank account without a verified profile. On the app, tap your profile icon in the top corner and go to Payment Methods or Pay to Payment Methods. On the website, hover over your profile icon or wallet and look for Payment Methods or Manage Bank Accounts. Now tap Add a new payment method and choose Bank Transfer or Bank Account, depending on what Binance shows in your country. Select your country, currency, and the transfer type, such as SEPA, ACH, or local bank transfer. Next, enter your bank details carefully: account holder name, account number, or IBAN, and sometimes SWIFT/BIC. The name on the bank account must match your Binance account name, otherwise deposits and withdrawals may fail. After you submit the details, Binance may ask you to verify the bank. This could be with a small test transaction, a confirmation in your banking app, or a quick security check like SMS or email code. Just follow the on-screen instructions until you see a success message. Once everything is confirmed, your bank account will appear in your saved payment methods. You'll then be able to pick it whenever you deposit fiat into Binance or withdraw funds back to your bank. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.